Hello, love! So after the medical mission, nagkadto kami sa akon mga batchmates sa Cafe Avo. It is located at the back of Philippine Statistics Authority, diri sa East area. Kanami sang ila lugar, very cozy and intimate, kay medyo gamay lang siya. They have also alfresco dining, which is very aesthetic and colorful. Here are my batchmates, Giselle and Angela, flexing the fan merchandise that they got from a batch younger than us. We tried 3 items from their menu: the salpicao, chorizo ayo olio, and pizza tartufata. My friends are very supportive of me pulling off this video. Angie's behind the camera and GC is doing my script.
Later ka pa na, diba? I-double.
You rate
Try this for, paano ka rin may buka ni kakaon.
It has a star on the menu.
It has a star. Kitood man. Try it for the first time.
Let's try it for the first
time. Naunang narrative. Delicious.
Masarap. Bite?
Mahal yung ating talent ni. May mga tindutan lang tagro ano eh.
Creative. Marco.
May taga. May taga correct. May taga.
Oo, wala sila karoon wala kung beef tropical sa menu.
Why practice? Practice, my dear.
Very raw. Very raw and authentic.
Diba?
Ano naman?
Pwede bang yung ginawa, hindi man ang sa narrative mo. Naiman.
Hi, Cords. Another batchie arrived and joined us, Cat Cords. They also have chocolate cake and cinnamon roll for desserts, but we did not order any. Instead, we got coffee and tea-based drinks. Of course, our food will never be complete without life updates and reminiscing about the past, our high school and elementary life. I realized that even though I haven't been in touch with most of my batchmates for a very, very long time, surprisingly, there was no gap, and it was like high school all over again. We laugh hard, and we live hard.
To palayo, then cheers!
Amo lang na. Okay, thanks, bye!